Hey guys, how's it going? How to check for strikes on Snapchat. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Snapchat, okay? Snapchat app, of course. And then tap on your Bitmoji profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Open your profile, and then in your profile, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. And then if you're specifically checking for snap streaks, which are different from strikes, scroll down to the friends and friends section and select my friends. Here you can see which streaks you have with friends. But if you're looking for strikes, violations of Snapchat's community guidelines, Snapchat usually sends notifications or emails when you've violated their terms. You might also receive in-app notification. If you're unsure or haven't received a notification but suspect a strike, you can contact Snapchat support through the app. Go to the settings, support, I need help, and search for violations or strikes. Snapchat doesn't have a direct feature to show all strikes. So relying on notifications or contacting support is your best option. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.